Hi friends, welcome to JSM Maths Academy. Now we are going to discuss about an important problem of real numbers of class 10. Let us observe question. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Now we are going to prove this by using a contradictory method. In this we will suppose it as a rational number and we will perform some operations on it. Then at one point of the time we will get it as our assumption is wrong. If our assumption is wrong, then it becomes a rational number. This is a process which we are going to apply here. Let us observe question. Firstly, let us suppose that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. So I took the contradictory to the what we need to prove. We need to prove is a irrational number. So I am supposing it as a rational number. Then if it is a rational number, we know the definition of rational number. Rational number means what? A number which can be written in the form of P by Q or A by B. So I am supposing that root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. So this can be written in the form of A by B. So I am supposing that root 2 plus root 3 is an A by B, where A and B are integers and B is not equal to 0, and root 2 plus root 3 is an A by B. Now I am applying the squaring on the both sides. So this can be written as root 2 plus root 3 the whole square is equal to A by B the whole square. Now this LHS can be elaborated by using A plus B the whole square. We all know that A plus B the whole square can be elaborated as an A square plus B square plus 2AB. By using it, I elaborated this LHS so that we got as a root 2 the whole square plus root 3 the whole square plus 2 into root 3. This is equal to A square by B square, and this square and square root both will be get cancelled, so that this LHS can be written as 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to A square by B square. And on transporting this 5 to other hand of equation, we will get as negative. So we will get an equation as an 2 root 6 is equal to A square by B square minus 5. Then in the next step, we will take LCM of RHS. In the RHS part, we have two terms. One is of A square by B square and other is minus 5. So LCM of these denominators is B square. So that we can write 2 root 6 can be written as A square minus 5B square by B square. And I'm transporting this 2 to other hand, it becomes a divisor. Why? Because here 2 root 6 into root 6, 2 is a multiplier. If you transport and multiply to other hand of equation, it becomes a divisor. So here 2 root 6, from the 2 root 6 I transported a 2 to other hand of equation. So we get root 6 as an A square minus 5B square by 2B square. And if A and B are integers, then A square minus 5B square by 2B square. That is, this RHS is a rational number. If we perform on any operation on integers, we will get again an integer. So this RHS is a rational number. If it is a rational number, then root 6 also a rational number. But this contradicts the fact that root 6 is a irrational number. Why root 6 is an irrational number? Means 6 is a non-perfect square. 6 is a non-perfect square. So square root of 6 here is an irrational number. Is an irrational. Square root of non-perfect square is an irrational number. By this we can write root 6 is an irrational number. But what we got? Root 6 is a rational number we got. Why we got this contradiction? Means as our assumption is wrong. See, if A and B are integers, this part becomes an rational number. If this is a rational number, then root 6 is also a rational number. But this contradicts the fact that root 6 is an irrational number. Why we got this contradiction? Means it arises because of our wrong assumption. What is our assumption? Our assumption is root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. This is wrong. If this is wrong, then what is correct? Then that is of root 2 plus root 3 is a irrational number is the correct one. Hence, we proved that root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Thank you friends for watching this video.